Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG Q70 smartphone and you need to do a hard reset on it and the screen is locked and you don't have the PIN code. We can just bypass that PIN code and delete it completely from the phone. It's also going to wipe everything else off the phone, but if you're okay doing that, it's actually pretty simple to do. All you need to do is the phone's going to be stuck on because you don't have the PIN code to turn it off. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously, and you're just going to hold them, and you're just going to keep holding them. Keep holding them, keep holding them, keep holding them. The phone will eventually turn off. Keep holding them, keep holding them, keep holding them. The phone will turn on. You can just release the power button and then press it again when the logo appears. And then it will open this menu here. And all you need to do, you can't actually touch this screen. So what you need to do is use the volume button to toggle down to yes. Hit the power button to select it. It will take you to one more confirmation screen. You'll hit yes. And then it will start wiping everything off the phone. While you're waiting for that to happen, if you're in the market for a credit card, Chase is giving away $200 for free just for signing up for a card. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But anyways, so let it finish its wiping cycle, and then the phone will reset, and you will see that it will reset. It will turn back on into the setup mode like it did when it came out of the box.